Senior Karnataka Congress leader DK Shivakumar was arrested on Tuesday evening by the Enforcement Directorate in connection with the money laundering case. He was arrested after about 30 hours of questioning since August 30. He was placed under arrest under provisions of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, the officials said. On Tuesday, the Congress leader reached the head office around noon to join the fourth round of questioning. He was placed under arrest in the evening. He will be produced before a special court on Wednesday, said an agency official. Soon after his arrest, Shivakumar tweeted congratulating BJP. The ED probe is based on a charge sheet filed last year by the Income Tax Department alleging tax evasion and hawala transactions. Following his arrest, the Karnataka Congress has called for a statewide bandh on Wednesday.